Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cloudflare verify you are human loop when you can't get past the security check. So first of all, the error can look something like this, where you can just keep on trying to verify you are human and it just keep on showing you this particular error. So in order to fix this, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of your web browser, whether you are using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other supported browser. After doing this, you need to check that the JavaScript and the cookies are enabled, because Cloudflare challenges require both in order to complete the verification. After doing this, if you are using any kind of ad blockers or any kind of these types of extensions, then you can come here inside the extensions section in Chrome, and you need to simply click on this particular toggle button in order to turn off the ad blocker. After doing this, if you are using any kind of VPN services or VPN extensions, you need to also basically remove them from here. Now, if you are using the VPN, you just have to also first of all disable them, and you can then disable the extension as well. So if it is still not working for you, you can open that particular website in the incognito mode of Chrome. So this is going to help rule out the problem, whether it is caused by any kind of extension or cached browsing data. So if none of these methods are working for you, the website owner may need to allow your IP address or change their Cloudflare security settings, because visitors cannot remove a Cloudflare challenge themselves. So that's how you can basically fix this particular issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.